Hey everyone, and welcome back to Excel Nerds. Today we're going to learn the left, right, and mid formula to parse out this date that we have. So in column B we have a date. Our eyes can tell that it's February of 2019, but it's not really formatted in a way that we can use. So let's use these functions to really help us pull out that information. The first thing we'll learn is the left formula. This takes two arguments. First is the text string that you're trying to parse, and then how many characters you want to pull out of that text string. So already that's better because we know the month is February, it's the second month. So we'll autofill that down. I'm going to jump over here to the year because we can use the right formula to get that information. This also takes two arguments. The first is the text string, and the second is the number of characters you want to pull out. So we'll pull out 4 on the right side. And lastly, we have the mid formula, or function, I should say. This takes 3 arguments. The first is the string you want to parse, then the number in the string where you want to start. So in our case, it's the third number. 0 is the first, then 2, then another 0. So we'll start at the third number, and we're going to pull out 2 characters. So here we can see that the month, day, and year were parsed out using the left, right, and mid formula. But that's not all. We're going to learn a bonus function here, and that is the date function, in order to give ourselves a final date that we could actually use for a pivot table or further analysis. The date function takes 3 arguments: the year, month, and day. In our case, the date was formatted as a text string that we really couldn't use, so we parsed out all of that information, and now we can put it into the date formula to give us the date that we need. And just like that, we have a real date that we can use.